This is Everlast from ROCKETBOOK. It is an intelligent notebook. It can be reused multiple times, and you can send your notes to your smartphone and to other cloud services like Dropbox and Google Drive. Okay, here we go. Alright, so here's the notebook itself. We'll get to this in a second. And this is your cleaning cloth. And it also comes with a pen. Alright, so I'm ready to start taking notes with the Everlast notebook. One of the first things you'll realize is how thin it is. It is only 36 pages, which is pretty much all you'll need because, as I said, all these pages are reusable. So the ink from this pen interacts with this special polyester compound paper that we got over here. And once it dries, it takes like 10 to 15 seconds to dry. Once it dries, it forms a special bond. So once it has that bond, it won't erase until you use the wipe. And that is what I'm going to try out right now. So let me go ahead and write something, and excuse my poor writing, whatever. And before I start writing on here, let me just point out that there are no lines. You can just see that there's little dots. That shouldn't be an issue. I know some people, they would prefer lines, but it doesn't matter to me. I'm gonna just write. And it feels really great. It's a little bit more slippery than paper, just a little bit, but it still feels great. I just wrote hello world. Okay. And now we're going to wait a few seconds. Alright, so as you can see right here, there's a little bit of a smear. That's because I was a little bit impatient. And only after like 3 seconds, I tried to wipe it. And that's why the smear is right there. But right now, it's been like 20 seconds. And the ink is not coming off at all. So now let's try with the included wipe. And this is just microfiber. So I'm pretty sure most of you guys already have this. It comes with your monitor or your TV. Okay, so the ink didn't wipe off just with the microfiber, so now I put a little bit of water, very little bit of water, and now I'm gonna wipe it. There you go. It comes right off. And there you go. It is good as new. Alright, so that was pretty impressive. As advertised, I wrote on the notebook and I was able to wipe it off with a little bit of water and the microfiber cloth. Now let's test out the other cool feature, and that is the ability to synchronize your notes with your smartphone. So I'm going to go ahead and take down another note. I'm just going to write down my site. I'm just going to write Tech Geek Nelson. So as I mentioned before, the writing experience on the Everlast notebook is really good. It feels like paper, but also kind of like writing on a whiteboard. So it's like in between those two things. But overall, it's a pleasant experience. One thing I wanted to point out is these little icons on the bottom. You see like a little diamond, an apple, a little notification symbol, a star. So as you can see, I marked the diamond. So when I scan this page on my smartphone, it's going to recognize that I marked this diamond, and whatever service I have linked to that diamond, let's say Google Drive, it's going to automatically send this page to my Google Drive. So let's go ahead and test that out. Alright, so let's go ahead and scan the page. Try and get it on camera. There you go. As you saw, it only took a few seconds. I'm going to go ahead and click done. And this document, okay, send. I haven't did this before. Okay, so that is pretty amazing. It is on my Google Drive and it looks perfect. Look at, let me zoom in. That is my handwriting. You can see all the little details and all the little flaws in my writing. That is amazing. Look at the detail in my writing. So the Everlast notebook from ROCKETBOOK is available now on Amazon for under $30, which might seem like a lot for a notebook, but this could be the last notebook you ever need. So that is it for this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos coming soon.